Hey guys, it's Michelle and I'm back with another video, and this video is a little different from the videos that I've done previously just because in this video I'm going to share with you guys what I have in my hospital bag. And for those of you guys who don't know, I am expecting a baby girl and the due date is April the 28th. So I wanted to come up here and share with you guys with what I have in my hospital bag. So I'm just going to show you guys everything that I have, and if you are interested in seeing this, then keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that I have in my bag, well actually I'll talk about the bag first. I got it from, let's see, was it TJ Maxx? And I think it was $49 out of TJ Maxx. I thought it was a pretty good size bag. It wasn't too small and it's very spacious on the inside and has a few pockets. And then it has a little zip up section in there. And it also comes with a long strap if you wanted to just have it like strapped across and carry it that way. So I thought it was a pretty cute bag and I could definitely get some use out of it after the birth. You know, if I was going away or on a one-night stay somewhere, I could use this bag. So the first thing that I have for my hospital bag is slippers. I wanted to make sure that I have this. You know, I may be walking around a little bit. There's no telling how long the labor may be. So I just wanted to make sure that I had these slippers so I can be nice and cozy if I do decide to walk around. And let's see, the next thing that I have is a nursing bra. And this is one that you can just go to the side and kind of, you know, do your thing as far as breastfeeding. You can just move it to the side. And I got this one from Walmart and it was $9. And I did get another one, and this is the one that like clips here in the front and you just unclip it and then you can breastfeed that way. So I got this one. Where did I get this one? Oh gosh, I think I got this one from Burlington, like Burlington Coat Factory. I got it from there. They had a lot of maternity stuff in there, surprisingly. So if you are looking for something or some items that are inexpensive, I would definitely recommend going and checking them out because they do have a good selection. Well, the one that is near me, they had a good selection. So I have that. And then I have this robe. And this is just a robe that I can use to wear in the hospital. I guess mainly after the baby is born. I can wear this robe and feel nice and comfortable if I get cold or anything like that. And I got this one from TJ Maxx. And I think I may have pulled the tag off, but I think it was maybe $15 or so. They're really good. They're priced really good in TJ Maxx, so I will go take a look in there, and they have a lot of cute patterns. And let's see, another thing that I have is this dress, and this is just something that I could wear at night because you have to stay in the hospital depending upon how you give birth to your child, maybe a few days after. So I have this long dress that I can wear and feel comfortable in the bed. So I have that. And this one I did get from TJ Maxx as well. I took the tag off, but I think it was probably $14.99 or $12.99. Sorry guys, I'm like out of breath. But okay, I'm out of breath. But the next thing that I have some underwear. And I got these from Walmart. These are just some Hanes underwear that I can wear after I give birth. And they're pretty big underwear. They're not anything cute or fancy. They are just some regular old underwear that you would wear afterwards, after you give birth. So I have these. I have 4 of these that I'm going to bring with me. And let's see. And I also have, let's see, a tank top here that I'm going to wear. I can just wear this and lounge around. And I also have 2 pairs of leggings that I'm going to bring, but they are in the other room and I already started filming, so I'll just let you guys know I do plan on bringing 2 pairs of leggings along with this. And then I also had this little dress, so I'm not sure if I'm going to bring this or not. It's just a yellow plain dress, something very loose, so that I could just throw on. I don't know if I would wear this on the way back home or not, just depending on the situation, or if I want to have some leggings on. So I may have this. And another item that I have is a charger. So yeah, it's a charger, and it's just a regular iPhone charger that I got from TJ Maxx for $9, and this is just in case we're in a rush to get to the hospital and I don't have time to grab my own charger. I'll already have one in my bag, so I have that. And another items that I have some breast pads. Well, is it breast pads or nipple pads? But I have these that I'm going to bring with me. I'm not sure if the hospital will have those, so I do have a few of these that I'm going to bring. I have a few others. I may grab a few extras, but I'm just going to go ahead and put these 3 in there. And another thing that I have this little bag, and it just has some little travel size toiletries in there because I am going to be spending the night. So I want to make sure that I have those, like deodorant, face wash, and this is another face wash. And then here is a small little lotion. And then I have this little Vaseline for your lips, because I heard that your lips can get really dry when you're in labor, in the hospital period. So I just want to make sure that I have something to keep my lips lubricated. So I have that. And I think I may end up getting a bigger, like, little toiletry bag, just because I have little toothbrushes. This is for me and my husband. I'll put this in his bag that he's going to carry separate, but I did have these little toothbrushes and also a soap for when I take a shower there. I do know that they have towels for you there, so I'm just not going to bring it, just so that's something that I don't have to bring with me. So I'm not going to bring any towels with me on that trip. So yeah. And I did go to Target today to get a few other things that I may need, and I just got like this little loose tank top just to wear, and that way when I'm breastfeeding I can just kind of go like this and do what I need to do. So I got this from Target, and it was $8 for that. And I ended up getting a bigger lotion just because I had that small little lotion, and I figured that I wanted more than that just because that would be my main lotion. So I got this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion from Target. And this was not planned. You know, you go to Target and you just start picking up stuff. But I thought this was cute, like some little onesies for baby, because sometimes it can get kind of cold in our house. Like, it's kind of chilly right now. So I figured I would get her some more little onesies, and this one is long and it has a zipper, so it'll be easier for us to get her in and out of that. So I got this. This will not be going to the hospital. And then I got these Maxi Pads just because after you give birth, you know, things will come out and flow out and you will need a pad. I did hear that they do have pads available at the hospital, so I may not need these. And I heard they're pretty good, but I just wanted to be, you know, safe and have some. So I'll probably throw in like 2 or 3 of these in my bag. So I will add that in there. And this is also something that I didn't go in Target to get, but it's just a burp cloth. I think I will actually throw in a few of these in the bag. So I think I will throw in some of these. So yeah. And then I got some nipple cream. And this is the brand that I got. It's in Target, and I think this was $14. maybe $12–14. So I got this. I think they may have some in the hospital, but I just wanted to be sure just in case. So I did go ahead and get this today on my trip to Target. And I think that's it, guys. That's all that I had. And I'm going to add in her trip home outfit, so I'll go ahead and add that in there. And they do have diapers for the baby at the hospital, and I think they may even give you a few diapers too, so I'm not gonna bring any. I don't know, I may put like a few in there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all that I'm going to bring with me. I may add in a few things. So that is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon in my next video.